Good morning, children. Welcome back to your GK class. Today, we are going to start with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is homonyms. So, before we start this lesson, let's try to find out what is the meaning of homonyms. Homo means same. Now, homonyms means the words which have the same spelling or pronunciation but different meaning. Such words are known as homonyms. As we go for the definition also, words which have the same spelling or pronunciation but different meanings are called homonyms. Here 10 sentences are given and the option are homonyms. We have to choose among them and we have to choose the more apt word to fill in the sentence. The very first sentence is Keshav went to the market in the evening to buy some stationery for school. One stationery means not in motion, right? Not in motion, ruka hua. And one stationery means the books, copies, pen, pencil, these things comes under stationery. So school के लिए क्या खरीदा जाएगा? Book, copy, pen, pencil, right? So that would be which stationery? stationery. So the first stationery is the answer of this sentence. The second sentence, Aditya had to return his dog's collar which he had bought online because it was too loose. उसको क्यों वापस करना पड़ा आदित्य को डॉग्स कॉलर? Because it was loose, ढीला था. Here two words are given. One loose means खो देना and one loose means ढीला. So the यहाँ पे collar was ढीला, right? So that loose will use that loose, and the spelling of that loose is loose. That means the second loose, loose, is the apt answer for the second sentence. The third sentence, Radha's teacher told her she would be taken to the principal to represent the school at a debate. So here two principal is given. One principal is Siddhant. The second principal is the head of any school organization. For example, Mrs. Neena Shankar is the principal of your school, right? So Radha was participating in a school debate. So she was supposed to be taken to the principal, means the head of the school. And the spelling of principal is PRINCIPAL. Principal. That means the second principal is the correct answer for the third sentence. Now, the fourth sentence. The lioness hunts her prey by crouching low in the grass until she gets close enough to pounce on it. The lioness means शेरनी अपने शिकार जब करती है, राइट, तो वो क्राउचिंग लो मतलब बहुत धीरे धीरे से क्रॉल करते हुए जाती है ग्रास पे. until and unless it gets close enough, बहुत पास जाती है, then only she gives an attack, अचानक से पाउंस करता है, राइट. सो यहाँ पे जो दो वर्ड दिए हैं, प्रे मीन्स प्रार्थना एंड सेकेंड प्रे मीन्स शिकार. सो यहाँ पे लाइनस व्हाट इज शी हंटिंग? शिकार. दैट मीन्स द करेक्ट आंसर इज PREY, pray. PREY, pray. The fifth sentence is Rakesh's family lived in a suite on the topmost floor of a hotel when they went on vacation. When they went on vacation, they were living in a suite and it was at the topmost floor. So here two suite is given, SUITE, and one is SWEET. तो यहाँ पे एक suite का means है the room of that hotel and the other suite means मीठा. So the correct answer is, yes, you all are right, SUITE. The sixth sentence, the sale at the marketplace never fails to attract a huge rush at weekends. Like when there is a weekend, then people run to buy the things because at during that time the things are available at low prices. And the second sale is जो ship sale करती है, right? So that sale, so sale means छूट. The word which is apt here is that one. So SALE is the correct answer for this sentence. SALE is the correct answer for this sentence. The tired travelers decided to stop at the roadside inn to rest before they continued their journey to the city. रोडसाइड इन में रेस्ट करना था. दैट मीन्स रोडसाइड एक छोटा सा होटल टाइप का था. देयर दे हैव टू रेस्ट. सो द स्पेलिंग ऑफ दैट होटल इज INN. इन इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस सेंटेंस. द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज the bus conductor insisted that all passengers pay the fare when they board the bus. अब यहाँ पे दो फेयर है. वन फेयर इज मेला एंड द अदर फेयर इज किराया. तो यहाँ पे पैसेंजर्स को क्या पे करना होता है? किराया. सो द स्पेलिंग ऑफ दैट फेयर इज FARE, फेयर. द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज the coarse material of the shirt gave Ayan a rash on his shoulders. The first course is कि खुरदुड़ा है and the second course is the syllabus. तो शर्ट खुरदुड़ी थी, that is why he got the rash. So the spelling of that course is COARSE. The last sentence is strawberries and cream complement each other very well. एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब होता है प्रेज करना और दूसरे कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब होता है एक के साथ दूसरा अच्छा लग रहा है. तो द करेक्ट spelling is COMPLEMENT, complement. The first complement is the correct answer for this sentence.